How to use VPN safely with your banking app. In order to use VPN with your banking app, you must focus on maintaining a consistent identity to avoid triggering fraud alert while ensuring your VPN provider is highly trustworthy. So you must always connect to a home country server. So bank often flag login from a foreign IP address as suspicious. Before opening your banking app, you want to make sure to connect a VPN server in your own country to look normal to your bank security settings as well. So if I'm gonna try using a VPN from a different IP address, then it can actually show me an error or something like disable VPN, some sort of option. So you must make sure that you're using this own country's server, or in some cases, VPNs are not allowed. VPNs does not allow you to log in properly. So what you want to do is you could simply disable that and try not to use VPN as well. So this way you should be able to use VPN safely with your banking app. Next, you could also use a kill switch. That means ensure your VPN's kill switch feature is enabled. This automatically cuts your internet connections if the VPN drops, preventing your real IP address or unencrypted data from leaking mid-transaction. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.